students, UPSSC has released the question paper of PET PET which has been held today. So this is a question paper of shift first of A series. So I'm going to discuss some questions and its answer of GK and GS part. So let's start. So question number 1 is, questions are like little bit easier. I don't think the GK and GS questions are hard, so it's like okay. So question number 1 is, what is the correct chronological order in which the following rulers rule in India? So the correct order is answer number B is a correct answer, where Iltutmish has ruled on this thing like 1236 on India. Then this Alauddin Khilji on 1396, then Sher Shah 1540, and then last come to the Akbar. So answer number B is a correct option. Next question is, which one of the following saint was contemporary of Shivaji? So Tukaram is the correct answer. Question number 3, who was the first Governor General of Bengal? So answer is Lord Warren Hastings. This question is repeated and I have discussed in my revision part also. Then next question is, Charak Samhita is a work on. So it's work on medicine. Next question number 5 is, you have to match the ruling period or ruling time of this thing. So I think Kalinga war was on means 261 BC only. So this is rightly matched. The Saka era was wrong matched because it is around its time period is around like 500 something AD. So this is a wrong answer, means wrong match. So correct answer is B. The next question is, who among the following is known as a grand old man of India? So Dadabhai Naoroji is the correct answer. Next question is, two home rule leagues were started in 1915-16 under the leadership of. So correct answer is Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak. This is also repeated question previously asked in UPSSC several exams. Next question is, you have to match with the RS, these are some this thing is given and its founder name you have to match. So Brahma Samaj was Dayanand Saraswati. Ramakrishna Mission was Swami Vivekanand. So B is 1. So B is 1 is given in two options, B and C. And Arya Samaj was founded by Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, Satya Shodhak Samaj was so correct answer is Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj was founded by this 2, Dayanand Saraswati. So answer C is 2. Answer C is 2. Okay. 1 is B. Okay. Option A, Brahma Samaj. So Brahma Samaj, Brahma Samaj is Ram Mohan Roy. So answer A3. A3. Okay. So D we have to find out. Okay. So D is Satya Sodhak. Satya Sodhak, then it is founded by the Sodhak Samaj. I'm not sure. I have to see. Okay, leave this question. I'll find the answer and then I'll say. Next question is, who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? So Mahatma Gandhi has given this slogan. Next question is, when Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the presidentship of Indian National Congress, the seat was offered to. So it was offered to Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then next question is, the Salal hydroelectric project is located across the river. So it is located on Jhelum River. Then Vernal Uninox takes place on. So it takes place on spring season. So spring or autumn season comes in month of September. So 23rd September is the correct answer. The Khetri project in Rajasthan is famous for. So it is famous for minerals. So minerals means aluminium. Aluminium is the correct answer. No, zinc. Sorry, zinc. Zinc is the correct answer, option A. Then next question is Kaziranga National Park. Everybody knows it is situated in Assam. Next question is which of the following are river of Himalayan rivers? So Kaveri, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari. So Ganga and Brahmaputra are the Himalayan river. The next is bank rate means. Bank rate means rate of profit of banking institution. Yeah, rate of profit of banking institution. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is if RBI reduces the cash reserve ratio, what will happen to the credit creation? So credit creation, it will decrease. Question number 18 answer I don't know because economy part is like little bit weaker. Next question is question number 23. Right of to education is a fundamental right which is related to article. So it is coming in article 21A. Then next question. Who among the following moved to objective resolution in Constituent Assembly? So it's a Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is in which article of Indian Constitution the interest of minorities are covered? So article 29. Then current carriers in solid conductors are free electron. Very easy question. Next is what is FEMA? So FEMA is a Foreign Exchange Management Act. Next question, the public health and sanitization is included in Constitution of India in state list. Next question, Panchayati Raj system in India is laid down under directive principle of state policies. Next question, light year is a unit of measurement of distance traveled by light in a vacuum during 1 year. So correct answer is this. So next question is the chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. The percentage of pure gold in 18 karat gold is 75%. Very easy question. Then next, orange contains abundant of vitamin C. Easy question. Next is okay. I can discuss some English question part also. So the synonym of famous is awful, popular, steady. All are the synonym. Poor is not the synonym. So correct answer is B. Antonym of transparent, opaque. Opaque is antonym of transparent. Next question is select the related word from given alternative. So ornithologist is a study of birds. So anthropologist is a study of human mankind. So answer C is a correct. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. So curd, butter and cheese are made up of milk, but oil is a totally different. So correct answer is C. Then in which of the following cities lighthouse project is not implemented? So answer is Patna. Then which Indian telecom company is world's fifth strongest brand? So it's Reliance Jio. Bamboo oasis on land in drought is related to which state in India? So it is drought means जहाँ पे सूखा पड़ता हो तो that is very much related to Rajasthan. Next question is which is first country to get free COVID-19 vaccine through the COVAX scheme of United Nations? So Ghana is the correct answer. Next question is who is the second Indian born American woman astronaut to fly to space? So correct answer is Shreya Badala. Then name the Indian wrestler who gave 2-year ban for doping recently. Correct answer is Yogeshwar Dutt. Which state in India is the first state to implement an end-to-end e-cabinet system? So correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 58. I don't know its answer. I will find and then I'll discuss. Next question is smartphone maker Vivo appointed which cricketer as its brand ambassador? So Virat Kohli is the correct answer. Then next is artificial intelligence AI based portal Supace launched on which court in India? So it's a Supreme Court. Then how many Indian states share their boundary with Nepal? So its answer is five. Five is state of India. Which of the following is the capital of Costa Rica? So San Jose is the capital of Costa Rica. Then which among the following is the official language of Union Territory of Lakshadweep? So Malayalam is the official language of Lakshadweep. Then in which of the following places Ajanta Ellora caves are situated? So it is situated in Aurangabad. Onam is the cultural festival of Kerala. Which of the following planet is the closest to Sun? So answer is Earth. Who was the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? First Asian winner of Nobel Prize. So Rabindranath Tagore. Then which of the following countries is not a member of SAARC? So Myanmar is not the member of SAARC. Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, and other neighboring countries are